What's up everyone, here this is your boy MTH. So I'm back with another tutorial, guys. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please like and subscribe. Okay, so our YouTube channel is all about programming, is all about creativity. We design things. Okay, so this today's topic is all about getting a 99 cents domain name at NameCheap. Okay, so they are like pretty expensive domains out there, but I found out that NameCheap also offers some sort of a coupon for only 99 cents. You can get a .com domain only 99 cents per year, so it's only a year, and then you'll have to like pay another 99 cents next year. So it's a good deal. Okay, so let's see the steps on how to get this domain. Okay, so as you can see, popular domains for just 99 cents at NameCheap. Okay, enough about that. You know, like finding a domain can be caused by many things. Maybe you might have a business purpose or just personal use. Finding the best domain and cheap domain can be very hard and expensive. I know that one. It's very expensive and hard. Okay, so people pay monthly for popular but expensive domains. Okay, so what is a domain? A domain name is just a link that everyone types on the browser to access your website. Okay, so as you can see, the different types of domain extensions. There are .com, .gov, .name. Okay, enough about that. You can come and read it for yourself. Okay, so we are interested in this part, in this short part. Okay, so how to get a 99 cent domain name for a year. Okay, these are the steps that you might want to follow. Okay. Okay, so this is the most important step that we are interested in. Okay, so these are the steps that you need to follow. Okay, so all you need to do is to click on that link called NameCheap. Okay, so that you can be able to find our coupon that we must use in order to get this 99 cent domain plan. So my network is slow, I don't know why. Okay guys, as you can see, this is the NameCheap website, which redirected us to the 99 cent promo. Okay, so this is the input that we are supposed to find our domain name. Okay, so soccer. So I'm gonna like test if this is actually the truth. So maybe I want to have a website called soccer games. That is what I'm supposed to do. Okay, so this coupon changes like when you click that link. I don't know on your side what it will be, but for me it is this one. So you will really need to like click that on that link on the website. I'll leave the link on the description. So my network is slow. Okay, so these are the domains that are available. So as you can see, this one was registered in 1999, but I'm sure your domain won't be like registered. You can make a new offer so that you can snatch it away from that person. So yes guys, let's say I want the soccer games dot club, maybe. If it is here, I think it is not, but you'll need to type it in. Because of my browser is very slow, I'll just take the expensive one, which is $191 per year. Let me look for another one so that I can be able to show you that. Let me take this one, add to cart. So we're gonna add it to the cart, and then on the checkout you'll need to provide that coupon details that were below the input that we did. So let's go to the checkout. As you can see, this is only $20 per year. So it is a lot for somebody who's just new or starting on a new business. So yes, as you can see, I'm typing this coupon that I got. I think it is a wrong coupon or something like that. So as you can see here are the, like, they show you like 99, 0.99. As you can see, all these domains that are here, but I wanted that one, so I'm gonna return back to that page, proceed to that checkout, so that I can show you how it works. Okay, so this coupon works only if, like, I logged in. So I need to log in first. I have used this. I don't know if it will like work again, because this is what I didn't want to happen, to log in first. So let's see what happens, but hopefully it will work. So as you can see, there it is. So we're gonna paste that and then click on apply. So coupon code successfully applied. The pricing for applicable product will be adjusted. As you can see, you have just got your own 99-cent domain, and then you can proceed to the confirm order, so that you can be able to pay and then have it on your side, and then you can start using it. So they will adjust the they will adjust the all the things that they, they will be able to remove the money that which is $21. It will go back to like 0.99 cents. So don't worry about that. All the final step to do is to just click on pay now. So yes guys, and thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be posting regularly and more content on how to do things on, or how to get successfully having your own online business. So thanks guys very much. See you on the next tutorial.